today we have our July BarkBox to unbox. Are you guys excited? Yes, because we just actually had our June BarkBox a couple weeks ago, but this time we're on time. If you're not familiar with BarkBox, it is an online subscription service for dogs where you get toys and treats delivered to your house every day. And we've been doing this for quite a while, I think since last year, October or so. And Sammie and Kaia, and this is Kaia by the way, and this is Sammie, and they really love BarkBox. So ready? You want to see what it is? Ta-da! So it's a pretty colorful theme. Okay, they're interested. So let's see. Oh, it's like a comic book. It says Bark versus Toxic Critters. Oh, it's like a comic book theme. That is really cool. Yeah, so it has like a comic book theme, and inside there's like a comic book. Okay, so very cute. And they always have really cute paper too. Okay, so the first item in the box is, Sammie, we're gonna look at this first, is this. And wow, what is it? What is it? It looks like a snake. It's a toxic critter. And this one is Mr. Sinister with 3 S's. Sinister. Got it? And okay, so it's a snake, yeah. And look, it pulls like this, and it squeaks. It has like a red tongue sticking out and some pink fur. So Kaia, do you want to play with this? How about you, Sammie? You ready? Go get it! Okay, and the next item in our box is a treat. Okay, so this is Chomp. Pork dog treats. Wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free. Bark treats are always made in the USA, and our meat is always raised and sourced in the USA too. Wow, that's good to know. If we could plant little American flags on every morsel, we would, but we wouldn't want your dog eating those. True. Okay, you want to try these, Sammie? How about you, Kaia? Yeah. Okay, here we go. I think they really want to try these. Okay, and the next thing in our box is another toxic critter. Looks a little bit like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. This guy is the shellacker. He's a shellacker. It's really cute and squeaky. Yeah, it's cool. Who wants to play with this? It flies through the air. You ready? Woo! There we go. The next item in our box is another treat. And this is the Mighty Mutt's Amazo Quacks single source duck dog treats. Yeah, so it is grain-free, wheat-free, and soy-free. And it says, when your dog needs the strength to vanquish an evil toy, or if they did a perfect shake for your visiting aunt, then they need Mighty Mutt's Amazo Quacks. These single source morsels are made with only one ingredient, real all-natural duck. Freeze-dried to preserve their, ooh, it's freeze-dried, preserve their essential nutrients. Amazo Quacks pack a protein punch to power up your pup. Yeah, because I know those freeze-dried treats are pretty expensive, and they're included in our box. Here we go. Let's open it up. You guys want to try it? Yes. The last item in our box is, it's a stick, but there's 2 sticks in here. So yay! 2 dogs, 2 sticks. That's always good. Chewing promotes healthy oral hygiene, and these are called plaque busters. Oh, this is exactly what we need. You guys like these, right? Okay. Okay, so that was everything we got in this month's BarkBox, which was a comic book theme. And we got 2 toys, a snake with pink hair, and like a turtle on a hovercraft. And we got 2 bags of treats. We got freeze-dried duck treats and also these Chomp pork dog treats. And finally, we also got 2 sticks. These were the plaque busters. But yeah, so it was another good box. Are you guys happy? You guys like what you got? Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And we'll be back with another BarkBox unboxing next month. Thanks again. Bye now. Say bye, guys. Bye. Okay, bye. at all the toys you have. You have a ton of toys. Wow, you guys are the luckiest dogs on the planet. Okay, say goodbye.